another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz. From the title you can tell we are back with a hair finesse. I'll be showing you how I slayed this affordable, easy, effortless and perfect unit for the upcoming season from LUVMEHAIR.com. So if you're anything like me and you are planning to have a hot girl summer, then this is the unit for you, because for one, you won't be spending hours getting your hair done, and two, you'll be serving looks. Okay, so if this is a video that speaks to your inner bad bee, then I would suggest that you stick around and keep on watching.
Okay loves, so today's unit is from LUVMEHAIR.com. This is a 20-inch deep curly unit, and also it is a 5x5 lace closure unit. I love it. This unit already came pre-plucked and also bleached, so all I did was to add some foundation, and I'm just gonna slick my hair back because I did that big chop, and we'll get on to applying this unit. This hairline is looking so bomb. Again, I didn't bleach it nor plucked this unit. I technically applied it straight out of the box. All I did was to co-wash the unit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my regular schmegler degular application, which is with the Got to Be spray, and I'll go between laying the unit and also styling. I'm using the tension method here. You can use your blow dryer if you would like, but for me, I'm gonna stick to simplicity. So yeah, I'm using the tension method. Once I have that, then I go in with my flyweight tamer and define my parting space, as well as using my hot comb to flatten out the top, because it can look quite harsh and unrealistic. So I would say you definitely need a hot comb for all your application, even the curly ones, okay? Or else you look like you have a mushroom on top of your head. So I go in with my hot comb and I go back and forth between styling it and also melting the lace. Again, I won't be using any blow dryer or glues for this install. I'm using my Got to Be spray and also just the tension method. So I flatten it as much as I like, and once I'm satisfied, I would pin the hair back and then go ahead with cutting the lace off. And yeah, that's basically it for the cutting portion and also laying of the unit. Look at that hairline, guys. It is looking so bomb. I'm definitely feeling it. Like, it's looking awesome. Now, once I feel like the unit is kind of set, I take off all the bands and scarves and all of that and just work on my parting again. This is where I would probably go in with my hot comb. In this case, I did go in with my hot comb again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and style the actual unit. I did not do any baby hairs on this unit because I felt like it wasn't necessary. I wanted to show a clean, kind of crisp hairline, especially for people who are beginners and are not really good at the baby hairs. I'm not really good at them myself because I don't wear them that often. But yeah, I just wanted to keep it clean and simple and show the beauty of the wig, which is what I did here. I'm just gonna go ahead and style the unit as usual. Now, once I'm done with, flattening out the top, I'm just going to go ahead and style the actual hair. For curly units, you can use conditioner and water, or you can use mousse. In this case, I had some mousse. I really need to finish this, so I used some mousse that I have here, and I'm just applying that, and just not, I don't want it too wet, so that's why I didn't use water, because I really need the volume to be maintained in this unit. And I'm going ahead to comb out the tight coils or curls using my Denman brush, and you can also use a wide tooth comb like I used on the other side. It's totally up to you, and it's totally according to your preference. They both basically achieve the same results. So yeah, this is what the styling is about. It was very simple, took me around 7 minutes, and that is it.
Okay, loves, so this is the final look, and before we get into, you know, the specs and all of that, I'm going to mention once again that this unit was pre-bleached, pre-plucked, so I haven't plucked it, haven't bleached it at all. All I did was to put a little bit of foundation, that is my shade, on the lace, and that's absolutely it. Another point that I want to mention is that I didn't do any baby hairs, because when I saw this hair out of the pack, I was like, wow, this looks so good. You could tell that the unit was already bleached and not just like pre-bleached. So yes, it was bleached and all of that. I was like, you know, this unit would look so good without any baby hairs, at least for the first install. So that's what I did. As you can see here, I left the hairline clean. Okay, so let's get into the specs of this unit. So this is 20 inches deep curly, and it's not like a kinky curly, it's really a deep curly hair. As you can see, it's very voluminous, and I like big hair, so that's the reason I didn't wet this. But this obviously can be worn in its wet state, and then once it dries, it will look a lot like this. Or what you could do is you can add a lot more mousse, like after you've washed it and the curls are a little bit tighter, to get that tightly coiled look. But this look was what I was going for. Again, this is 20 inches of deep wave, and it is a 5x5 lace closure. Now guys, if you know me, you know I was not about the closure life at all. And LUVMEHAIR has gotten me into the closure life because their closure units just look so bomb. This one in particular is 5x5, as I said before, which means you can wear it in a side part, a middle part, and also the parting space goes all the way back. So yeah, that's it for this unit. This unit again is from LUVMEHAIR.com. I love it. I am so excited to wear this for the summer. I feel like this pattern is perfect for the, you know, the warm months where it's, you know, to me, hair like this is so much easier to maintain. It's so much easier to, like, you know, give that oomph. Once again, this is from LUVMEHAIR.com. Everything will be linked in the description box below, and the specs of this unit will be on the screen here. So thank you once again for tuning into another video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you love this simple, effortless, like easy. When I say easy, I'm not exaggerating, like easy install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it does help my channel to grow. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And again, thank you for tuning into another video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.